Bro, this is super savage. Welcome to San Salvador, people. Look at how full the buses are, guys. Full of people. So apparently ever since Bukele got into office, things have changed so much for San Salvador. Our Uber was telling us that apparently after he became president, the security situation in the country changed completely for the better, which is good. And I mean, for the most part, it feels safe. I haven't walked around at night, but for the most part during the day it feels pretty safe, so I guess we'll see. Guys, honestly, we seem to be the only tourists here. Yeah, like I was telling y'all, we seem to be the only tourists here. We're getting mad stares and yeah. What is this place? Whoa. Interesting. La catedral allá. You gotta keep a lookout. Apparently there's pickpockets in this city, guys.
I kind of don't even want to put on a camera, but I'm scared.
Oh, come on, Jit.
So he's gonna get snatched.
Do you think if you had a chain it would get snatched here or no?
Like,
I don't think so.
If you were like yours?
I don't think so, bro. You got cops in the streets and stuff.
Yeah, maybe not here, but like if you're going to a bad street.
We're entering the markets of San Salvador. Un carro, cuidado con el carro. People just eating out here in the market. You have peluquerias. I'm trying to find a water right now. I'm thinking possibly here. Damn, they got all types of chips. Just a lot of people selling stuff in the streets, guys. Have very good prices. If you come here, I highly suggest you guys bring money so you can buy whatever you may need. This is the famous cathedral here. Let's take a look inside. Let's see what we find. Guys, bro, look at the quantity of people that there is in the streets, guys. In this Sunday morning, there's so many. I'm having to keep a lookout because I feel like someone's gonna pickpocket me. Nah, I'm joking. I mean, it's possible, right? But we're chilling right now. But look at the amount of people. A la madre, ve. ¿De allá?
Vamos allá, vamos allá. Vamos allá, vamos allá.
No, güey, no.
Why not?
Al ataque,
Ahí
al
está el
ataque.
pedo, ahí está el ataque. Es que no hay nada allá.
Ah, fuck.
¿En serio?
pretty full day here in El Salvador. We're walking towards the library right now, and whatever other public institution we may find. I think this is it. Let me show y'all. It is hot, guys. Definitely bring a hat or something, or wear sunscreen because you're gonna get burned. ¿Esto qué será? ¿La librería o qué? ¿O Bukele? Ah, mira. La plaza, ah, sí. A lot of people are loving this camera, having fun just seeing me recording. Alright, we're headed to the cathedral now. El Salvador del Mundo, Jesucristo. Doesn't have a crazy amount of detail in the facade, obviously, but I'm curious to see what it looks like inside. Let's go take a look. It is a spicy day out here in El Salvador. Very, very spicy. Look at this poor statue of a man getting shit on. I don't know who it is, but pretty sure this is like the central plaza of the city. It's pretty, and they're putting a lot of money into the infrastructure, so that's pretty good. Babies cry, I watch them grow. Now this in front of us seems to be the library of the city. So let me see. Let's try to go through here without people. A lot of people keep looking at me because I obviously look very out of place. But this, alright, this seems to be the library. It's a cool ass library if I ever saw one. This library was built with the help of China, as you guys can see. The world is changing. The United States is no longer the primary helper of this country. Very interesting the way things are playing out.
Eso no puede ser bueno.
¿Qué? El patio de Bukele está mamalón.
Es como en India, un millonario tiene
Mijo, es del Palacio Nacional.
No, sí.
Es de todo el pueblo.
No, pero nadie puede entrar.
We're at the top level of the library. As you guys can see, that's the marvelous view of the cathedral here. So as y'all can see, this third floor is mainly anime based, Star Wars based. Down there they have like a Nintendo World. Y'all can see the little coin, and there's a Luigi somewhere there, so it's like Nintendo World. But up here it's mainly anime and Star Wars and Batman. It seems like the Chinese are really trying to pull in the youth's minds, and I mean, they're doing a pretty good job at it. people seem to love this library. You can see families just hanging around here, chilling. Pretty interesting. Let's go check what Emiliano's doing. Where? Here. Está bien. You can put it on? Are you sure you can put it on? Okay. Right there.
Big cigarette?
Yeah.
No, wait. Was this up or down?
Huh? I don't know. This is the second floor I was telling you about. The Nintendo World floor. With the Lego characters. Everyone's playing Mario Kart. Interesting. The Chinese really invested a lot into this library. So that was the library of the people. The Library of the People's Republic of Salvador. What did you think of it? Huh? What did you think of it?
Well, there's American music playing in the background. Behind
Okay.
us, there's a Chinese built building. Who will they choose? The West or the Asians?
¿Qué pensaste tú del museo?
Fantástico. Esos chinos hacen cosas muy buenas. Y Bukele pues, también aprovecha esa oportunidad que les da.
We have reached the home of Santa Claus. I don't know if this is just a temporary thing or if it's a permanent situation, but I'm willing to find out, guys. Nomás en Bitcoin. Alright, we made it inside the house of Santa Claus, guys. Mickey and Minnie seem to be here. Mickey and Minnie. This seems to be just a place for pictures. I don't know how we go up there. Okay.
Let's take a photo with Minnie and Mickey.
We've gone out from Santa's home and now we're just roaming the historic center of the city. Let's see what we find, guys. You guys already know most of these treks that we take are simply adventures. We seem to be nearing another point of interest. Very interesting city. A lot of life. I just picked up a gel for like $5. But another Christmas cookie house. Nice. Very interesting. As you can see, there's a thriving, bustling Christmas market here in the city. You feel me? Very, very lively, guys. I'm enjoying it very much.
Okay. Uber.
Seems to be another market of sorts that we're walking through. You guys think I'd stand out like a sore thumb? Maybe I do. Maybe a little bit. Not because of height or I don't know. But, yep. Ma, ¿qué tienes? ¿Por qué te friqueas, ma?
Me da miedo con el camión, que le acelera.
No te va a atropellar. People chilling out in the streets. Let's cross, let's cross.
Las ofertas de blusa, toditos los estilos y colores de moda. A $2 en oferta, cachada de blusa, remate de blusa. Estamos liquidando todas las blusas en oferta. La que te guste, la que quiera, la que agarre. Toditos los colores que quiera.
Frutas.
Glass, vidrio templado.
Cool. That's pretty cool.
Why are they like?
Throwing balls.
Yeah.
Si se puede.
There's nothing else much to say.
Very pretty place. It's called Picnic. Big giraffes. Guys, super quick update. We got taken to another Salvadorian town here by a guide known as Mario. Tomorrow we're gonna be crossing the border into Nicaragua. But yes, we are in. I'll let you guys know in the description. Anyways, we're here at La Union, guys. I'm absolutely blasted. And, yeah. This is the best hotel I've ever been at. Alright, we just woke up. We're on our way to the frontier of Nicaragua. We're in this little town called, what was it called here? Damn it, dude. I completely forgot. But I can see the ocean from here. We're gonna get on the boat, cross the border, and hopefully get to Nicaragua without any issues or them asking for a vaccine card or anything, right? So let me show you all around. They've got police here, security. It's pretty safe. But buenos días. Yep. Oh, I just remembered the name of this place. It's called La Union.
Yeah, everyone thinks I'm a tourist.
Yeah. We're pretty much the only tourists. We're pretty much the only tourists in this town. I haven't seen any other foreigner walking around in the streets of this town. And we're walking kind of like in the middle of the street. There's not too many cars to worry about here. But yeah, I guess we're gonna keep walking, and I'll turn on the camera once we get closer to a port so y'all can see. Alright, Ministry of Center of Government of the Union. I think this is where we're gonna meet the captain. From here we're gonna go to Nicaragua. Let's see what's up. These are quite possibly the worst restrooms I've ever seen in my life. So you go to the restroom and you're required to pour water down the toilet. And you pee. Just please pee here. You pee there. You know what? I think I'd rather not. This is the fish market, guys. I had to come here to go to the restroom, but this is where people conduct their business. Sell fish and stuff. Pretty rudimentary. Alright, finally we got a guy that's gonna lead us to the boat. We're following him. The place got absolutely filled with foreigners. But since we were some of the first ones, we are on our way to Nicaragua. We weren't able to make it through the airline because of the vaccines required, but that is why now we're gonna take a boat. So yeah, wish us luck. I'll start recording once we're on the boat again. We made it on the boat, on our way to Nicaragua shortly. Hopefully everything goes good and we make it. We'll be keeping you guys updated. I think it's like a two-hour drive. I only got like grease and cheese pupusas left to nutrify me, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So we'll keep you guys updated, man. This port is not in its heyday, I'll tell you that. Pero esto debe ser lo último. We got covered in water, but it looks like we finally made it to the port. Yo. I had to jump off the boat in my full gear. I had to get wet. Oh shit, bro.
It didn't get wet. It didn't get wet.
Bro, this is super savage.
Wait, I gotta go hold my mom. Hey, grab my passport. Okay, there you go.
Is she triggered or what? No manches. No manches.
No, es una locura. Jamás en mi vida vuelvo a hacer esto.
Bro. Bro, this is super savage, bro. Like an immigrant. Yeah. Bro, this is insane, bro. Huh? Yeah. This is probably the craziest fucking way to get in the country that I've ever done. Fortunately, none of my shit got wet. I think my brothers did. But, yeah, this is how illegal immigrants must feel for real. Bro, my shit got wet. Did yours?
Fucking shit is compromised.
All wet.
My whole clothes are compromised.
Everything's wet. You already checked.
Okay.
We made it past the government checkpoint. My computer got wet. Everything got wet. But we're alive. By a horse. Just a bunch of cows passing by. Ginseng trading. Maybe. We're gonna have a nice Nicaraguan lunch here in this wonderful place. Let's see what it tastes like, guys. This is what I look like right now. We're cooking the meat back there. How does that sound?
Arroz aguado de pollo.
¿Dónde?
Arroz aguado.
The food was absolutely delicious. I loved it. It was just like plain old barbecue. But right now we're gonna go to some volcano here. Don't really know the name. I'll let you guys know briefly. But yeah, I mean we ate barbecue. Just a classic rice, beans, meat. Very good. Currently on the way to the volcano right now. We're probably like 30 minutes out. The gang is all sleeping. Everyone seemed to get food coma after the meet, but I'll keep you guys updated on what the trip looks like up the volcano.
Si ustedes se suben o escalan algún lugar alto,
observar, ellos expulsan material incandescente. Entonces quiere decir, en el futuro, cuando este volcán ya crezca y ellos vayan creciendo, o ellos crecen más que el volcán, o el volcán los absorben a ellos, o ellos absorben al volcán. Porque así aconteció con todos esos cúmulos de volcanes que están ahí. Hay alrededor de 5 volcanes que nacieron de un cráter de un volcán y es activo.
All right, we're about to trek up Cerro Negro, Reserva Natural, Pilas del Hoyo. We're gonna go up this volcano and slide down. Duration of 1 hour. I have some Air Force Ones and I covered my feet in plastic because they're soaked. No. Halfway up. We're halfway up. Just another Monday afternoon. You feel me? We're almost to the top of the mountain, or the volcano, sorry. But you guys can have a clear view of the lava fields and where the lava flows every 10 years that this volcano erupts. But I mean, this landscape is just absolutely beautiful. Look at this, guys. Hombre, está bien rico. Nos tocó. Summit, which is right there. So you guys can see the lava flow, the lava field over there. He was explaining to us how, because of the fact that they harvest peanuts, it creates just an infinite amount of dust, and you guys can see the curtains of dust that it's created in the distance. Look at that. See, new location unlocked. Volcán Cerro Negro. ¿Está caliente?
Mientras más se descargan, más caliente se pone.
Oh yeah, it's really hot. Wow. Wow. That is hot. Just a Monday afternoon. I made it to the top. That's the volcano caldera, guys. And as you guys can see, it's steaming hot. It is absolutely hot. You can pick it up here, right? But it is steaming hot. Now we're on our way back to slide down the volcano.
Correcto,
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Just a Monday. We made it. We made it down. We made it down without any injuries. Just another Monday morning, guys. Or Monday afternoon, sorry.
Ayer llego ahí, ¿a dónde? Ahí donde está. No sé, a Chile. Yo llegaba yo y le digo, oye, en la calle. Uy, no se la arregla.
No sé dónde salió.